In today's investing session, Jim Worden, the CIO of Wealth Consulting Group, is here to help us out. Jim, let's start with the Fed rate cuts because so much of what's happening in the stock market hinges on the Fed and rates.
Some people are saying that the Fed's only going to cut rates maybe 2 to 3 times. The markets are forecasting 6 rate cuts up until January of next year. I think it's probably going to be closer to 3 to 5 rate cuts, probably closer to 4. But I think that the Russell 2000 is taking more of a breather now. I continue to like large growth. There's still really strong momentum for, I would say, 5 out of the Magnificent 7 stocks, with Apple and Tesla struggling a little bit more. But the other 5 names, I think, are continuing to do well. These are, in some cases, making new highs. Microsoft recently passed Apple in terms of total market cap. I think that momentum continues with the build out and increased capital expenditures for AI.
Many investors are getting on that AI bandwagon. What's on your buy list or stay away list?
I like small caps. I would like to see interest rates come back down. We've kind of had them come down and they've come up a little bit. There seems to be this inverse correlation with the 10-year treasury and small caps. Small caps have got a good valuation. We still have some good momentum coming from last year. There's not any real particular names that I like, other than I would say that the NVIDIAs, Microsofts, AMDs of the world that are in this race, if you will, for AI. I think they're going to continue to do well. I know Microsoft recently rolled out Copilot Pro for pretty much all users. That's integrated directly with Microsoft Office and things like Teams and SharePoint. And so to the extent that, they can get more people using AI tools, that benefits Microsoft. And of course, they have their large investment in OpenAI, which is also doing very well.
Jim, we're so glad you came on the show today.
Oh, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.